Okay, hey everyone. So there's a TikTok coming right after I make this video. So I'm gonna show you what this video is. So okay. Use this, right? My cat toy, and I'm gonna basically throw this, but I'm not actually gonna throw it. I'm gonna go like this, get his attention, and then throw it. But it's still gonna be in my hand. But he's not gonna have no idea because he's gonna go after it. Right now he's laying down, so I don't know how this is gonna work, but I'll try my best for you. He's not falling for it. Fall for it, Tippy. Come on, I need views. Come on. I'm kidding. I'm just kidding, Tippy. I'm dead. How dare you try to bite me? Oh! Tippy. I'll try to get him when he's getting back up. Until then, I'll like do a little re-upload when he's back up, like when he stops laying down. But I hope you guys like my cat. I see so many cat videos, and like you say, he's actually pretty cute. I see a lot of it. I'm not saying every animal that people have are not cute. Oh, and he got back up. Alright, time.
Yeah. 100 carrots. Come on, let's pick up the pace.
Tippy! Hey! Unbun.
Tread on these flags for free. You just pay the shipping.
Oh, he's not gonna fall for it.
Fees, you just pay the shipping.
You know what?
We're giving these away because we're a new online shop. We're giving these away to help us get our name out there. This flag was first flown by
He's not gonna fall for that.
What are you trying to do?
So I did that on my TikTok and it worked. Wowzers. So
What are we doing? What are you doing? Not we, but what are you doing?
I'm trying to. So guys, if you want to see the real thing, like what it's supposed to do, go to my TikTok at Mad M&M Boys 2.
And go to shadow underscore E.
Guys, look at my background.
Okay? And follow me on TikTok. God damn it.
I'm not gonna show my lock password. It's my private information. That's his. This is who I watch.
Look at my background, bro. Look at my background. Bro, you ain't let me see my background, bro. See, look at my background. Yeah, his is Lincoln. Mine is anime.
Yeah, that's his.
But you wanna know something? This is me, like the funny person that doesn't really take stuff serious, and then this is you with the friggin' eye that's cut. Look at you. You're trying to kill somebody.
I'm trying to find the app that I have. That scary noise app. If I can find it, it would be fantastic. Here it is.
What app are you trying to find, dog? Oh, W.
So this one is probably my favorite. It's the creepy music box. When I'm making like a remake of a horror story, I'll probably use that one. Obviously, I can't edit, so I'm actually gonna like favorite the creepy music box. Is that favorited? Oh, creepy music box. I went off topic. Hold on. Scary piano. Listen to it. I think also pretty good for horror stories. Whenever I do a horror story, but I'm gonna favorite it. Clicking on it. There you go, favorited. And I want to show you one more. Paranormal Activity is a sound. But you still hear like things. It's blurry. This one called a ferocious roar, whatever one. Sorry if you don't like scary things. But one more. Hold on. You have to take one more. Remember, TikTok is coming after. This is No Mercy, but it's just a scream. A ghost laugh is gonna be the last one, but I'll show you more in a different video. Oh. Look at the time, and I'm shooting the video. By the time the thing gets up. Oh, do you know Super Brawler? I believe it was. Super Brawler. Super Brawler. Super Brawler, still Super Brawler. There's all these messages, man. I don't even clean up my, get rid of all of these. I'm just waiting for, yeah, I still have that game. Game. I don't know why I have it. It's Kiss Face Reveal. Yeah, I bet. I don't know who kisses. Where's the app? Oh, Super Brawl. So if you want to get it, it's for phone, and I believe it's for anything. If you don't have a phone, I think it's for Android, but I'm going to go check. But yeah, Super Brawler. Come back. You forgot. Yeah. My character that I want right now is Lincoln. It's so hard. He's so hard to get though. The hide and seek. Well, yes, the hide and seek video will be coming June 1st. I almost said May 1st. But the hide and seek video will be coming June 1st. And I think the 7th one is when we go to my aunt's house because there's a lot more hiding spots there. And I think that will be a very good video. And I think it will be like the ultimate video because there's a lot more hiding spots in my aunt's house. Like the upstairs, she has an upstairs, she has a downstairs. So it will be a lot better than in this house because we don't have an upstairs except for the hallway. But anyway, TikTok coming. Bye.